Competing with MrBeast's $1,000 thumbnails seemed impossible for smaller channels until today. AI now handles 90% of the design work for you, whether you're recreating viral designs or sketching out your own ideas. You can create professional pro-level thumbnails in under 5 minutes. And the best part? It's completely free. In this video, I'm going to walk you through my top 3 thumbnail workflows, and trust me, the second one might surprise you. Let's dive in. I will use the one with the pyramid as an example. And the first thing that I will do is I will download the thumbnail. I'll go to YouTube Thumbnail Grabber and paste the URL. I head over to ChatGPT. I import the thumbnail that I want to create, and I'll include my own picture. And then I'll ask to recreate the thumbnail, but then replace the man with the woman. That's a great first version. Obviously, the face is not accurate. I even see that he changed the clothes for me, but still I would like to adjust my outfit better so that it fits with the scene. I'll use the following prompt for that. I definitely like the outfit in this version better. Now, as a final step, I will still adjust the mood to something a bit more mysterious. Perfect, that's definitely way more dramatic. Now, as a final step, as ChatGPT is not great with generating faces, let's head over to Face Swapper AI and adjust this. I'm going to upload the thumbnail and my own picture. I'll select my image and hit swap. Perfect, now I have a thumbnail that's super professional. It looks like it was taken out of MrBeast's video, and it actually looks like me. Method 2 is my personal favorite because it starts with your raw creativity. Grab a piece of paper and sketch out your thumbnail idea. And it doesn't matter if you can't draw. I'm talking stick figures and basic shapes here. I will do this in Canva. I'm going to draw a room that could be a YouTube recording studio with a big plant, a desk, another small plant on the desk, a painting, and a window. And then I'll also write down the words so that it's clear what this actually is. And I'll also add a laptop. Then I'll just take a screenshot. I'll import the screenshot into ChatGPT. And the goal is to tell the AI to respect the layout, but then to just elevate it to professional quality. And I'll use the following prompt. The key is to be very specific about the function and the feeling of the room. Now, this is a great starting point for a professional minimalistic background image. And you can literally do this with any type of drawing that comes to your mind. Number 3 is generate custom thumbnail elements. Now, let's say your thumbnail is 90% there, but it's missing this one thing. That bold visual cue that makes people stop scrolling. It could be a glowing icon, a metaphor, or a dramatic object. Whatever it is, you can create it with AI. Here's how I do it. Let's say I want to show a brain for a productivity video. I'll search on YouTube for visual inspiration. I do like this one, so I'm going to screenshot it. I'll add the image of the desired element, and then I'll use the following prompt that you will be able to download in the description below. And then I'll adjust this to my situation. And here you can mention that you immediately want to have it on a transparent background. That will save you some time. This definitely looks like it can draw some eyeballs. Now, as it already has a transparent background, I can just drag and drop this into Canva. Now I can add the brain in Canva. I can add an image of myself. I'll just add my typical blue in the background, but in general, I could go to ChatGPT and generate a specific background which fits with the brain. And then I'll add a piece of text that will already indicate a part of the video, which will hopefully make people more curious to click. And then I can just still go to effects, add a bit of shadow, and I can even add shadow to the brain so that it better stands out. And now I just have to make sure that the title fits nicely with this thumbnail. There you have it, 3 methods to create MrBeast level thumbnails that maximize your click-through rate. If you want my complete collection of thumbnail prompts, including everything from this video plus 20 more that I've tested over thousands of views, then be sure to grab my thumbnail prompt playbook below. It's completely free and it will save you hours of trial and error. And if you want to master AI image generation beyond thumbnails, then be sure to watch this video next. I'll show you 12 advanced ChatGPT hacks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you there.